Actually, we're now making mashed potatoes kasi we will actually match this with our pork steak. Because diba remember, sinasabi ko, as much as possible, hindi kami nagkakarne. So the healthier karne is pork, no? So this is cream. I added cream, butter, garlic, and Eden cheese. So basically, minamash ko lang ngayon ang ating patatas, no? So this is our mashed potato. Yan yung butter, nagme-melt. Kaya importante na mainit siya. So today, making pork steak with mashed potatoes. Gagawin natin ang parang konting medyo restaurant style. Ang ating dinner. Aartehan natin ang plating ng konti. Dinudurog-durog ko. Actually, pag medyo smooth yung patatas, baka mamaya yun yung patatas na nasa box, no? Pag yung mashed potatoes. So I like it. May konting buo-buo, chunky, at least you know it's homemade. We will do our pork. Okay, so this is shiitake mushrooms, pork steak. Tawag dyan pork rib eye, or sometimes, I think nakikita nyo to sa Korean stores, no? So, it's very common. They actually, pork steak tawag, minsan pork rib eye. So, kunyari, we're craving for steak and sa isang mga medyo mataas na yung cholesterol, this is actually, I'm not saying you can have it often, but it's a healthier version than the real steak. No? At least, it will not contribute so much to your triglycerides or your cholesterol. No? So basically, I'm just cutting some mushrooms para I can make some mushroom sauce. So because it's pork, it's not like beef, no, na steak that has a lot of flavor. It's pretty neutral kasi nga that's why it's called a white meat. The mushroom sauce, dadayain ko. I'm not gonna use red wine. Dadayain ko lang sa color. So, I'll just make a homemade version. Simply because wala akong open na red wine. And pwede namang hindi. No? Pwede wala. So, for today, lots of pepper. Lots and lots of pepper. Salt. Let me just get my rosemary. Give you that extra flavor. There. Just make sure it's really coated. Okay, so probably we need about 4 minutes on each side to make sure it's really cooked. Para if you wanna imagine as reference, just look at how thick it is. Baka you can close up. So we're just doing 4 minutes. So it's not like beef steak na meron kang medium rare, medium well. With pork, you'd like to cook it pinkish, meaning medium well. You can't really have it medium rare kasi sasakit yung tiyan nyo. So there, salt. So I'm just repeating the same seasonings as I did. Pepper. Oh, there, okay. There. Okay. Stay lang natin 4 minutes. So this is about 2 minutes. I'll just flip it para lang to seal all the flavors. Yan. Para hindi masyado mag-curl up. So we're just sealing all the flavors. Hindi to rokoji. Too big siya. With some cornstarch. I'm just making para sa sauce mamaya because we're making some mushroom sauce and we're not using any alcohol, so I'm just gonna mix it with just loosely and very just for the color. There. So mga 2 minutes na lang and this is ready. We'll cook the sauce na. Yun. Don't you just love nor liquid seasoning? Sayang naman yung heat, so I'm just gonna cook the chicharo on the side. Diba? Yeah. Kahit ayaw mo ng gulay, gagawin kita ng gulay. There. I'm gonna add some salt. Sayang yung pan, diba? Laki-laki ng pan. Kahit ayaw mo, magugulay ka. Very fast. 1 minute. Cook it for a minute. There. Mabilis na maluto. Okay. Hindi pa yan yung final plating. Huwag kayo maging judgmental. Pagandahan pa natin, restaurant style, para matuto tayo a little bit about plating. So, tatabi ko lang muna to. So now we'll be cooking the sauce, no? I'm just adding more of the butter. Let's saute some butter. Add the shiitake. Into the mushrooms. And the onions. There. So saute lang natin until maluto. Then, not buo, kalahati lang, na beef cube, like what I said, dadayain ko. Just gonna add a little bit of butter because it's drying up. The mushrooms are just a bit dry para mas maluto mabilis. Hindi ko na siya masyadong ipe-pepper kasi dami ng pepper ng pork steak, no? So there, slowly cooking. If you notice, medyo nagiging malambot na yung mushrooms. Then kanina, I don't know if you remember, diba, this is the cornstarch, water, a little bit of Leon Perrins, a little bit of more seasoning. So we're just slowly just have some water on standby. Let's look at it. It's thickening. Oh. So para siyang gravy. There. Look at the color. So beautiful. Kala mo red wine sauce, pero hindi. Kunyari lang. So we're just thickening it a little bit. And then we're ready to plate it. So if it's too thick, you just keep it. That's why may water ako on standby. No? If it's too thick, you can add a little bit more. There. Now let's plate it. Plating for the restaurant. Meron tinatawag sila Mickey Mouse. Tingnan mo ito yung plato, Mickey Mouse. Ito si Mickey Mouse, yung gulay, yung starch, kanin, or potatoes, or tinapay. Then yung ulam. Diba? Ears, and mouth. So parang Mickey Mouse. So that's one way of plating it. Pero yung medyo uso, na parang feeling chefy-chefy sa bahay, it's towering sa gitna. So you put it in the center, tapos lalagay mo yung steak sa ilalim, and then you stylized it. So yun yung gagawin natin ngayon. No? So kanina, if you remembered, we put our mashed potato. So I'm saving it, some of the mashed potatoes, kasi gagawa pa tayo ng salmon mamaya. No? So since the steak is a little bit big, I'm not really going to put it in the center, but I'll put it somehow medyo nakaside. There's your steak. Flatten it a little bit. So, maganda rin itong ganito. At least portion control. Napakadali, di ba? So, hindi mo siya ilalagay all the way sa top, but just here, drizzle it on the side. That's the style. Again, so para siyang steak, pero pork, so it's like the healthier steak if you're craving. And voila. Kunyari lang nasa restaurant. So are you ready? Tingnan natin si customer. Customer is ready! Customer!
Wow, laki.
Because si Len is a rich eater and he likes steak, so we're making it pork. So it's healthier.
Wow.
For the heart, for the cholesterol.
Fat.
So look at the color of, honey, can you show the color of the steak? So you have to cook it through, no? Bawal na medium rare.
Yeah.
Bawal yung medyo bloody.
Taste it.
Taste also the mashed potato.
Mm.
I like the mashed potato because it's thick. It's not so runny. Then it's not so smooth. You actually feel the chunks of the potatoes and some cheese.
Pork steak's good. The mashed potato has a cheesy flavor. It's actually, texture is good. It's my type of mashed potato.
If you're craving steak, does it hit the spot already?
I think it does.
And it's a healthier version.
It does. Good job, chef.
Yay! I can be a chef!